Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix snapshot public profile not showing. So if public profile is not showing on your snapshot account, the first thing that you need to do is to click on your profile picture on the top left corner. After that you need to go to the settings as see from here on the top right corner. And now you need to go all the way down till you see safety and privacy. Just click on it. And now from here you need to click on privacy center. Click on it again. And now from here it will redirect you to the privacy settings. After that you need to see if you have done all of the things that you should do from here. Also, if your age didn't reach the right age that you can use the public account or public profile, you can't actually use the public profile. Also, you need to verify that your account is not private. So if your account is private, you cannot actually have a public profile while your account is private. So you need to change your privacy settings to public. The next thing that you can try to do is to actually go to Google Play and search for Snapshot. So you can search for Snapshot and see if you have an update from here. If you have an update button, just update Snapshot app. And now after you have updated Snapshot, you can just open it again and see if the problem is fixed, and now you have the public profile. If the problem is not fixed, you can actually try to reach out to Snapshot support and they will actually help you to fix this issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.